Listen man, this is simple. I'm about to show you the greatest brownie recipe you will ever try in your life. Super Fudging Fudgy. You see what I did there? Yeah, another bad joke. Anyway, let's go make some amazing brownies. Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Delhi. Listen, there are many types of brownies like cakey ones, crunchy ones, and fudgy ones. But we all know if we had a choice, we would choose fudgy brownies every time. And if you choose like cakey ones, I wouldn't trust you, like that's super weird. Why would you choose like cakey brownies on top of fudgy? Like weirdo, man. Alright guys, let's get fudgy. We start with the ingredients. Semi-sweet chocolate, a big chunk of butter, some canola oil, sugar, eggs, salt, flour, and cocoa powder. To start with, you gotta separate your ingredients by fatty ingredients, the ones you see here, dry ingredients, cocoa and flour, and the egg mixture. Yeah, I think I pronounced it right. After we've done this, the next step is to melt our chocolate with our butter. So we put them in a bowl, and then we put it in the microwave, 20-second lapses. After each lapse, you gotta mix the mixture, and that's it until it's melted, just like this. After our mixture of butter and chocolate is completely melted, we grab our eggs, we pop them in the bowl, we add the sugar and the salt, and we mix it. And keep mixing it, and keep mixing it, and keep mixing it, and mixing it, and mixing it, until we get to the ultimate mixing super saiyajin process. Yeah! Until you basically get a texture like this. Super fluffy eggs, oh yeah. Now we have both mixtures, the chocolate one and the egg mixture. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our egg mixture in our chocolate mixture, and after this, oh yeah, you gotta throw it this way. Wait a second, yeah, look at it, it's super gooey, super spongy. After this, we're gonna grab our oil and we're gonna pour it in the egg mixture. After this, we're gonna mix until it's fully combined, just like this. Now we have both our mixtures combined. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. First, we're gonna add the cocoa, and after we're gonna add the flour. We gotta sift them both because we don't want no lumps in our brown mixture. We want a nice, fudgy, creamy brownie. So sift it. Alright, mixture is ready. Look how happy I am, but wait, I forgot to prepare the mold. But it doesn't matter, YouTube Magic mold is ready. We pour the mixture into our mold, and it's not baking time yet. We gotta wait 20 minutes because we want our mixture to create a layer that will give us a crunchier result after baking process. The texture after the 20-minute rest should look like this. Look at it. Yeah. So now it's baking time. We grab our brownie, we put it in the oven 200 degrees for around 20 minutes. After this, we take the brownie and we put it on the counter because it has to wait, sadly, 40 minutes before we can actually move it. So just watch your brownie for 40 minutes if you want to. I'll do that. Look at me. The eternal 40 minutes are done. Time to go and dig into that brownie. Come on, let's go together. Let's eat some fudging brownies. Alright guys, nothing else to say. Just remember, this is the most fudging fudgy brownie you'll ever try in your life. And for you to try that, remember, you gotta subscribe, because if I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will release the quantities for this recipe. So, just go ahead and do it, man, and you'll enjoy some amazing brownies. Thank you for watching.